What's going on, everybody? Vinny Cuz. And I gotta be honest. Yeah, I'm starting to get burnt out. I'm burning both ends. Anyway, it's Saturday, so let's go. Damn it, that ain't good. Came filled up at this gas station. I needed about a half a tank of gas anyway to get to full. But car wash is out. Y'all see why I'm starting to get burnt out, right? All right, next stop before we even turn on the damn work apps. Let's go. The reason why I get these towels is because, oh yes I did, I bumped my head. And I know coming here I'm gonna pay out the ass. Told y'all I'm getting burnt out. Forgot to order them. And so I just paid out the ass for them. 12 towels for like 18 bucks. I'll put a link down below, man. Everything's down there. Quit playing, y'all know what to do. Hit the links, get you the right towels. Anyway, last stop before we turn on the apps. I still gotta wash this bumpkin. Come on, Bumblebee. Let's go. All right. So let me put in my code. I hardly ever come to this car wash, but here we are. Getting ready to go in. Close everything up. All right, let's go for the car wash. So far, it was $29. Top off the tank. Right? Another $18 to get the microfiber towels. Another $6 for this car wash. I ain't even turned on the app yet. Y'all want to be Lux drivers, huh? Okay. Now there's a whole lot more I could have done. I'm not going to armor all the tires. Hell, I didn't even bother to wipe down the rims. They're shining. We'll be good enough. One last stop, and then we can turn the apps on. And then we got some shit to talk about. Because Lyft. All right, so my last stop. Redheaded stepchild. This is my girlfriend. That's why I'm overweight by like 20 pounds. Yeah. All right, so all that shit's done. Let's get down to the video. I got real issues with Lyft right now. And those issues are pretty simple. I said it on Wednesday night's podcast, the Rideshare Garage, every Wednesday night, 9 o'clock on the East Coast. And I said it the week before. Lyft Lux Black is the new Lux. And what do I mean by that? Well, I'll put up the screenshots here. I just want to know, how does Lyft Lux Black all of a sudden drop down to under $2 a mile, combination mile minute, when it used to pay $240, $250? I don't understand that. And a lot of Lyft XL and Lyft Lux, which used to come in between like that $180 and $2 a mile minute combination, is now coming in at $1.37. Like, make that make sense to me. Upfront pricing was not supposed to be a rate cut. That's what both CEOs said. Both DK and Jay-Z. They both said it wasn't going to be a freaking rate cut. But what they do? They cut the rates. They cut it for everybody. Uber came out with the rate rebalancing thing, right? Which I've noticed with Uber, my rates, I'm getting what I'm supposed to be getting. Even on the rate rebalancing, I'm getting what I'm supposed to be getting. It looks like maybe Uber abandoned that, or the algorithm learned, don't send me no garbage because I ain't going to take it. But Lyft, Lyft is just pushing, man. They are pushing. I told you I was having a bad day. So as I was saying, yeah, my dash cam fell off. I don't know, something with the suction cup. Anyway, Lyft is pushing all platforms from Lyft Line, whatever the hell it is this week, Lyft Share, all the way up to Lyft Lux Black XL. I've noticed there too, where we've dropped, other than the one unicorn ride, we've dropped tremendously for the most part. All the platforms are just, Lyft is just killing them. And, you know, I feel bad for them as a company because we want them out here. But if you're going to absolutely tear your drivers up, I'm $60 in. I ain't even turned on the app yet. What time is it? 5 minutes. At 5 o'clock, I'm turning on the apps. And I'm already $60 in. Every driver has their own expenses, dude. They have their own expenses that they got to deal with. It's, like I said, maybe I'm just getting burnt out. I don't know. But you know what? We'll find out.